So far we have applied predefined rules which have then been parameterized by Excel. However, you can define the rules by yourself as well. So let's mark the complete text and then again go to conditional formatting and say highlight cell rules. And here you see already some predefined things which you can later on predefine or parameterize by yourself. For example, this greater than, you can then simply enter a value in here. However, you are free to define your rule by yourself, more rules. And you can see only format cells that contain, which are greater than, and so on and so on. And I will now like to highlight all these cells which are equal to a given value, namely to the value 60, and the format I will try to define by myself as well. I could even use a customized format, but I'm choosing one which is predefined yellow with dark text. And now I'm directly finding all these values I was looking for. If later on I don't like this formatting anymore, I can go to Manage Rules and I can find all these rules. In the current selection there's nothing because I have not selected any cell. In this worksheet you can find this one and I can now say I don't like it anymore. I put on minus and say OK, and off this formatting is gone.